Ever feel like your business finances are scattered across different platforms, making it a headache to get a clear picture of your cash flow? You're not alone. Many business owners grapple with the challenge of integrating their banking and accounting systems seamlessly. Imagine a world where your transactions automatically flow from your bank account into your accounting software, saving you countless hours of manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. Sounds good, right? Well, that's precisely what we're going to explore today. We'll dive into how to connect two powerful tools, Relay and Xero, to create a streamlined financial management system for your business. Relay offers modern business banking with powerful features designed for collaboration and control, while Xero is a leading cloud-based accounting software known for its user-friendly interface and robust capabilities. When you bring these two together, it's like giving your business finances a superpower. But before we jump into the how-to, let's briefly touch upon why this integration is so beneficial. Think about the time you currently spend manually exporting bank statements and importing them into Xero. It's tedious, time-consuming, and frankly, prone to human error. By connecting Relay and Xero, you automate this entire process. Every transaction that happens in your Relay account can automatically be fed into your Xero ledger, categorized according to your predefined rules. This means up-to-date financial records, clearer insights into your business performance, and more time for you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Furthermore, this integration enhances collaboration. If you have a team managing different aspects of your finances, having a centralized and automatically updated system ensures everyone is working with the same accurate information. No more chasing down paperwork or reconciling discrepancies manually. It's all there, in real time, in Xero. So, are you ready to ditch the manual data entry and unlock a more efficient way to manage your business finances? Let's get started. The process of connecting Relay and Xero is straightforward, and we'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Ensure you have accounts with both Relay and Xero. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. You'll need an active business banking account with Relay and a subscription to Xero. If you haven't already set up either of these, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Both platforms have user-friendly sign-up processes. Head over to Relay's website and Xero's website to create your respective accounts. Make sure your business details are consistent across both platforms for a smoother integration. Step 2. Navigate to the Integrations or Bank Feed section in Xero. Once you have both accounts set up, log into your Xero account. On your Xero dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the section where you manage your bank feeds or integrations. The exact location might vary slightly depending on updates to the Xero interface, but generally, you can find this under the accounting menu, often labeled as bank accounts or bank feeds. Alternatively, you might find an app marketplace or integration section where you can search for and connect various services. Step 3. Search for Relay as a bank feed option. Within the bank feeds or integration section, you'll likely see a list of banks and financial institutions that Xero can connect with. Use the search bar to look for Relay. Once you find Relay in the list, click on it to initiate the connection process. Step 4. Authorize the connection. Clicking on Relay will typically prompt you to authorize the connection between your Xero account and your Relay account. This is a standard security measure to ensure that you're granting permission for data to be shared between the two platforms. You'll likely be redirected to a Relay login page. Step 5. Log into your Relay account. On the Relay login page, enter your Relay account credentials, your username and password. Once you've logged in, you'll be asked to grant Xero permission to access your Relay account information for the purpose of the bank feed. Carefully review the permissions being requested to ensure you're comfortable with them. Step 6. Select the Relay accounts to connect. If you have multiple bank accounts within your Relay profile, you'll be prompted to select which of these accounts you want to connect to Xero. Choose the relevant business checking or savings accounts that you want to feed transaction data into Xero. Step 7. Map your Relay accounts to your Xero accounts. Once you've selected the Relay accounts, you'll need to map them to the corresponding bank accounts you've set up in Xero. For example, your Relay business checking account should be linked to your business checking account in Xero. This step ensures that the transactions from the correct Relay account flow into the correct ledger in Xero. Step 8. Confirm and activate the feed. After mapping your accounts, you will usually see a confirmation screen summarizing the connections you're about to establish. Review this information to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm or Activate Feed. The exact wording may vary. Step 9. Initial data synchronization, optional. In some cases, Xero might ask if you want to import historical transaction data from your Relay account. This can be helpful if you want to have a complete financial picture in Xero from a certain date. Choose the appropriate option based on your needs. Keep in mind that importing a large amount of historical data might take some time. Step 10. Review your bank feeds in Xero. Once the connection is established, navigate back to the Bank Accounts section in Xero. You should now see your connected Relay accounts listed. The status of the feed should indicate that it's active. You might see some initial transactions already populating. Step 11. Set up bank rules in Xero, highly recommended. Now that your bank feed is active, the transactions will automatically flow into Xero. However, to truly automate your bookkeeping, you will want to set up bank rules in Xero. Bank rules tell Xero how to categorize and code specific transactions based on certain criteria, e.g., the payee, description, or amount. For example, you can create a rule that automatically categorizes all payments from Zoom as software subscriptions. Setting up these rules will significantly reduce the amount of manual coding you need to do. To set up bank rules in Xero, go to your bank account in Xero and look for a Bank Rules tab. Here, you can create new rules, specifying the conditions under which the rules should apply and the action Xero should take, e.g., assign a specific account, tax rate, or contact. Step 12. Reconcile your bank accounts regularly. Even with an automated bank feed and well-defined bank rules, it's still crucial to reconcile your bank accounts in Xero regularly, ideally weekly or monthly. Reconciliation is the process of comparing your bank statement balance to the corresponding balance in Xero and identifying any discrepancies. This ensures the accuracy of your financial records and helps you catch any errors or unauthorized transactions. Xero has a built-in reconciliation feature that makes this process relatively straightforward. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.